Today, we had the opportunity to host our annual real estate and construction event here in Vancouver at the Terminal City Club. 127 professionals across the Greater Vancouver area were registered for today's event. We had an amazing opportunity to welcome guest speakers to talk about some of the upcoming changes in the real estate market in BC.
Hi, my name is Kenny Howell. I'm an associate lawyer with Gowling WLG Canada, and today I gave a presentation on the provincial government's efforts to end hidden beneficial ownership in the province by introducing the Landowner Transparency Act and the creation under that act of a beneficial ownership registry.
It's important that all of our clients and our professionals know these changes and that they're prepared for the changes and they act on the changes immediately.